Hold on to your hats, folks. It's the latest scoop on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series, and we've got some electrifying news for you. You know how Samsung has been getting flack for their rather sluggish charging speeds while their Chinese rivals are zipping ahead at 240 watt? Well, the rumor mill was buzzing with excitement, suggesting that Samsung might finally up their charging game to 65 watt with the Galaxy S24. But brace yourselves, because it seems like the charging speed thrill ride might not be happening after all. We got the inside scoop on the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, and it looks like they haven't hit the turbo button on charging speeds. The Chinese versions of these superphones have already zoomed through the CCC certification process in China, and guess what? Samsung isn't cranking up the juice. The Galaxy S24 SMS 9210 is sticking to a 25-watt fast charge, 9V/2.77A, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. As for the Galaxy S24 Plus, SMS 9260, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, SMS 9280, they're maxing out at 45-watt fast charging, 11V/4.05A. So it's pretty much set in stone that the Galaxy S24 lineup won't be breaking any speed records when it comes to charging. All three of these incredible devices are expected to juice up from 0 to 100% in roughly an hour. And if you're curious about the battery power, the Galaxy S24 rocks a 4000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus packs a punch with a 4900 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra holds the line with a 5000 mAh battery, just like its predecessors. But wait, there's more. When it comes to the nitty-gritty specs, the Galaxy S24 series is packing some serious heat. Depending on where you're at, you might be getting the Exynos 2400 processor or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. The Snapdragon version is rumored to be exclusive to China and the US, while the rest of the world gets cozy with the Exynos 2400. Get ready for some dazzling visuals, as all Galaxy S24 models are expected to flaunt 2500 nit old screens. And don't sleep on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which might just rock a titanium body. Now, here's the cherry on top. QHD plus LTPO 120Hz all displays, an IP68 rating, stereo speakers, 5G Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a trusty USB Type-C port are all part of the package. These powerhouses are set to debut with Android 14 right out of the box. And let's talk memory and storage. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are looking at 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of base storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is flexing with up to 16 GB of RAM and a jaw-dropping 1 TB or 2 TB to storage. Oh, and did we mention the two-way satellite connectivity for emergency SOS? These devices are truly out of this world. So mark your calendars, folks, because the Galaxy S24 series is gearing up to deliver an extraordinary smartphone experience that'll leave you on the edge of your seat.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance.